Hello, welcome back. You seriously need to see this best headlights cover. This is considered a total must-have for this year. After testing it myself, I finally understand why it's so popular. Don't go anywhere because the value here is mind-blowing. Talking about quality, it is remarkably high-end. They used high-grade, durable materials built to last. You can really tell they didn't cut any corners. It feels way more expensive than it actually is, giving you that luxury experience. The smart technology inside makes it so efficient. The interface is intuitive and works right out of the box. It's reliable, quiet, and honestly, just a joy to use every single day. It's a major upgrade to your productivity and lifestyle. Now, here's the catch. Stock is moving fast. Click the link below right now and secure yours at the best possible price today. Don't wait until it's gone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.